Hi everybody, I'm Kristy Logan at Westwind Honda, and today we're going to go through this wonderful 2021 Type R Limited Edition. Okay guys, let's look underneath the hood. This is a 2.0 liter inline 4-cylinder 6-speed manual, 306 horsepower, 295 pounds of torque. Also holds a record at the Suzuka circuit, Honda's Formula One racetrack in Japan, with a time of 2 minutes and 23 seconds. So we're going to start on this edge. So these are active intakes, the fog lights, high beam, low beam automatic, the Type R logo, the red H that comes on all of the Type Rs, active hood scoop, another air intake on this side, which will come out on this side, which is wonderful. Okay guys, so we're gonna go down to the tires here. The red Brembo brakes, the BBS forged aluminum 20-inch rims with the Pilot Sport Cup performance track tires. Okay, coming to the side of the vehicle, we have the black colored mirrors that are heated, signal light indicators. This one also has a lane watch camera on the side. This is Phoenix Yellow. This is the only color they made for 2021 because it is a limited edition. With those door handles, the microfiber trim in the red and the black all the way down. Into the back, we have the LED lights in the back, the Type R logo again, the rear spoiler, the H badge again, and the triple exhaust. As we open the back has got a screen. It is 25.71 cubic feet. When the seats are up, we'll hold 2 sets of golf clubs for you golfers. All right, guys, now we're gonna go inside the car. Inside the car are the Recaro racing seats with the Type R logo. They are suede and mesh. We follow through with the suede trim everywhere, including the suede wrap steering wheel. So we're gonna start with this Type R Civic badge. This is number 36. There is only 100 of these in Canada. Off to the side of it, you will see a little switch button here, so we can go from comfort to sport to Type R mode. It is a 6-speed manual. It's got a charge pad in it. It's got Apple and Android CarPlay that you would just plug in, feed your cord up. On this side, your steering wheel access. This is your lane watch camera that you can activate without turning your signal light on, but it will come on every time you turn your signal light on to the right side. Your lane departure, your mitigation braking, traction control. This is where you would kind of change your gas to your music, your phone, miles per hour, any other icons. Your turbo, your time watch, changing your gears, the G-force button, which is fabulous. As we get into the back seat, super comfortable. Sits 2, it's got lots of leg room, lots of headroom. Nobody has a race car with 4 seats in it. I'd like to thank everybody for joining me today while we went through the 2021 Type R. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Always remember, love what you drive.